What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over Gala. Market's been pretty boring over the last week or so. So we're sitting at 0.01787, up 1.2 on the day. Market cap 665 million, 24-hour volume 64 million. So a couple scenarios here. If this is a wave 4, you'd have to look at a leading diagonal. But if we fail to push up and we start to break, especially if we break the wave 2 low, which is the invalidation point at 0.01538, then you will come lower. But until then, if we can hold this support zone right around the 1.7 cent range and see a bounce, then you can continue up in that wave 5. We're just trading sideways for now, a little bit slow, a little bit choppy, but sometimes that's the way it goes. So if you can end up seeing that bounce from here, then you have a lopsided inverse head and shoulders. And if we break the neckline, that could take the price up to that next major resistance at 0.0297. So we'll see if Gala can hold that support and see the bounce, or if we fail to do so, we start to lose this yellow support zone coming down towards 0.01538, then higher likelihood you will come down and create a lower low and break that 0.13. But as of right now, just watch the support zone and see if we can get a nice bounce back to the upside. That's what we're looking at for Gala Games. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, for trading. 10% back on every single one of your trades when you sign up through my link. You can join my Discord. We absolutely slayed in the month of August in Forex. We added 54% to our accounts. So if you had a $50,000 account, that's 27K profit. Absolutely unheard of to add over 50% to an account in a month, risking 2% per trade. So we just absolutely crushed it. As well as my crypto analysis, you can join for free. Click the link in the comments. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.